Hello, colleagues. Welcome back to Friday 5 in 5. Just me today for 5 tips in 5 minutes. Let me just press F11 to get rid of the cognitive load with all of that stuff around it. The first thing we're going to look at is a brilliant Chrome extension, Edge extension, whatever browser you use, and it's called AddtoAny. So let's go to this story here about Glenn McGrath. Maybe I want to share that in different platforms. I click my button and I can share it via email. Click on it and it will open up Outlook and I can send it. What about if I want to send it in WhatsApp? I can send it and it will open up my WhatsApp and I can choose the people I want to send it to. Or LinkedIn, it will open up LinkedIn and will create a post so that I can post it, although it looks like something may be happening with LinkedIn at the moment. Let me just click off that for a second. But you can see there's lots of different options. Maybe I want to send it as a tweet. It will open up Twitter and bang, I can send it as a tweet. What I love about this site is that you can choose all of these different platforms. Maybe I want to add Telegram and it will add it then to the list. Love it. Very useful in terms of you being able to quickly share with multiple platforms at the same time. 1 minute, 10 seconds gone already. My second tip, let's go back to our page and tick this box. I'm on the eraser at the moment. Let's come off the eraser, tick the box. Is something called perplexity.ai. This is the sort of an AI search engine that I recommend to students that don't have a Microsoft account. You don't need to sign in, and I love things that you don't need to sign into. To prove that, let's go to an incognito window, a private window, and I'm going to type in perplexity.ai. And it's checking if my site is secure, and you can search, look, and it will give you these different options, academic news, etc. So I'm going to search for, let's go for pollution in Bangkok, something that's very relevant at the moment. Pollution in Bangkok. And it will give me an AI sort of constructed statement based upon what's going on. And what I love about it, it gives me the references to the places that news has come from or that information has come from, and then suggests some further prompts that we can search for. So yeah, what are the main causes of air pollution, and away we go. And you can start to deep dive into those areas. Now, if you want to actually use ChatGPT-4 behind the search engine or save your threads, then you can log in. And I've logged in using my Google account, partner Google account, and no problem. So yeah, perplexity.ai, have a play. My third one, it again is related to AI, but each week I said I'd give you a prompt, and this prompt is that I'm wanting AI to act as an example generator for students for complex concepts and give some examples. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to go into Bing. I'm going to choose more creative because that's ChatGPT-4, and I'm going to paste that into there, and I'll ask Bing to give me some concepts. So let's just wait for it to sort of like kick into action and become the person or the thing that I want it to be. I want it to give me some examples. Okay, so I want alliteration for 9-year-olds. There we go. And let's give it some time to give me some examples of 4 bits of alliteration for 9-year-olds. Let me just open that up a little bit larger so that people can see. I'm going to press the pause button a little bit whilst it's thinking. Okay, here we go. It's giving me some examples of what alliteration is, and here we've got some examples. Now we've got here Sally sells seashells by the seashore as 4 examples of alliteration. Now I'm going to say give me some examples from popular movies. I could do lyrics as well in songs if I wanted to. I could say popular children's movies. So a nice little piece of, or a nice little example of using AI. I've got 30 seconds left whilst it's giving me some examples for popular movies in the background. Maybe we'll come to that afterwards. Here we go. So it has actually given me some. Give me an example before my time comes up. I've got 20 seconds. The Dark Deed. Miss Marple, they're movie titles, so maybe I should have asked for lines in a movie. Going back to my examples here, done 3. OneNote, very quickly, in OneNote now, you can add, if I go to out of my drawing tool into my home tools, I can add meeting details. Let me click stop on my alarm because my alarm's gone off. Meeting details, so when I go to meeting, it picks all of the different things that are going on during the day, and I can add it to the top of my meeting. Brilliant. And the last thing is history. I'll talk about that next week. All right. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.